Donald Schweitzer is a family law attorney. Donald, do you see this happening because of the economy, that people say too expensive to split up?
Martha, I have seen it within the past couple of months. Almost all family law attorneys have seen a slight decrease in clients coming through the door because of the economy.
So, what happens? They walk in and you lay out, this is what it's going to cost you, and you start to see them sort of go, he's not so bad.
Yeah.
So cute sometimes.
In fact, it costs a lot of money for a divorce. I mean, just starting a divorce costs a lot of money. And then when you start talking about how support is not going to look the same, child support or alimony, it's going to look a lot different than it did a year ago. And the family residence now, given that most houses are upside down, there isn't the equity in the homes in order to equalize, the division of property. So it's much more difficult for people to move and live apart than it was a year ago.
And do you have any sense of what the impact on the marriage is? I mean, are there some instances where it worked out for the best and they really shouldn't have been getting a divorce anyway?
Well, most family law attorneys, including myself, will tell you that when a relationship is over with, it's over with. And it doesn't make any sense to hang in there just because of finances. In some cases, it absolutely makes no sense. Yeah, but that's just because it's good for business,
right, Donald?
Yeah. He's drumming up business.
You're like, no, really, you guys shouldn't work it out. I think it's time.
Now, let me just say this, Trace and Martha, is that family law attorneys never have a problem with business. If anything, a slight slowdown lets us work on our clients' cases harder. I mean, it's always there. But the fact of the matter is that there's some cases where people need to separate, where there's domestic violence, when there's cases where there's child abuse, where there's cases of substance abuse. I mean, those families have to split up, and hanging together just because of finances doesn't make any sense.
Does anybody ask you to come up with a legal agreement for them to stay together in their own house and kind of drop a little agreement about how things are going to go?
Sure. And there's some orders where there's a deferred sale of the home. There's a lot of couples out there, believe it or not, that live in separate bedrooms, for years before they even start a divorce. So to continue with that lifestyle is feasible. But again, if there's any kind of violence or volatile behavior going on within that household, it doesn't make sense.
Very interesting. Reminds me of the 97-year-old couple who got a divorce after 72 years of marriage or 70 years of marriage, and they said they never liked each other, just wanted to wait till the kids all died. I mean, that's kind of the way it is, right? You just kind of, sometimes you stay together just to stay together. Who knows?
I know.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, there are a lot of people like that. There are people that stay together.
Thank you, Donald.
Donald, thank you very much.
Thank you.